Switzerland, land of chocolate, cheese, alpine trains, and a hidden cheesy delight that few beyond its borders know about. Welcome to the world of Malakoff. A deep-fried cheese dream that's crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and filled with stories that stretch back through war, tradition, and wine. Malakoff is a traditional Swiss dish from the French-speaking region of Vaud, especially popular in the villages of Vinzel and Luins, nestled in the vineyards above Lake Geneva. But don't let its simple appearance fool you. This golden, deep-fried cheese puff has centuries of history behind its crunchy crust. What exactly is it? Malakoff is made from slices or balls of Gruyère cheese, sometimes Emmental, coated in a light batter of flour, egg, and white wine, then deep-fried until golden. It's typically served piping hot with pickles, mustard, and crusty bread. Born out of war, the name Malakoff comes from the Battle of Malakoff during the Crimean War in 1855. Swiss mercenaries, fighting alongside French troops, returned home and invented this dish to commemorate the victory. They named it after the fortress they helped conquer. It wasn't just food, it was a tribute. Wine is in the DNA. Wine isn't just for drinking. White wine plays a vital role in the Malakoff recipe. It's used in the batter to create a subtle tang that balances the richness of the cheese. And of course, Malakoff is best enjoyed with a glass of chasselas, the crisp white wine native to the Vaud region. A secret recipe that changes village to village. No two Malakoffs are the same. Each family or village might have a different spin. Some make Malakoff sticks, while others create Malakoff balls. Some add a hint of garlic to the batter. Others use sparkling water or beer instead of wine for a different texture. In fact, the original recipes were often closely guarded secrets, handed down through generations. You can actually do a Malakoff tasting tour. In Lakeside, several wine villages serve their own version of Malakoff. You can walk from one village to the next, Vinzel, Luins, Begnans, and taste subtle differences in texture, flavor, and crust. It's a culinary hike, with cheese instead of medals. There are local Malakoff festivals. Villages like Vinzel host Fête du Malakoff celebrations. It's a local tradition where residents cook hundreds of Malakoffs for everyone to enjoy with music, wine, and Swiss hospitality. These events keep the heritage alive in the most delicious way. Rarely found outside Switzerland despite its mouth-watering appeal, Malakoff has remained largely unknown outside of French-speaking Switzerland. It's rarely served in Swiss-German regions, and international tourists often miss it unless they venture off the beaten path. But those who discover it, never forget it. So next time you think of Swiss food, think beyond fondue and rosti. Think Malakoff, a crispy monument to history, wine, and cheese. Because sometimes, the most incredible dishes are the ones still waiting to be discovered.